Hey everyone! So, I've been putting this Nutribullet GO Cordless Blender through its paces, and I'm ready to spill the tea. This little guy is marketed as the perfect on-the-go blender. And I had to see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions? It's surprisingly compact and lightweight. I grabbed the black one, which looks pretty sleek. It comes with two 13-ounce cups, to-go lids, a blade cover, the charging cord, and even a little recipe guide to get you started. Now, the big selling point here is the cordless design. It's got a 70-watt motor and a 2,000 milliamp hours battery, which Nutribullet claims gives you about 20 blends before you need to recharge. I haven't meticulously counted, but that seems pretty accurate. I've been using it for smoothies mostly, and I haven't had to charge it too frequently. The USB charging is convenient. I can just plug it into my laptop or a portable charger, which is perfect for travel or even just taking it to the office. The 13-ounce cups are a good size for a single serving. They're not huge, but they're definitely enough for a personal smoothie or protein shake. The to-go lids are a game changer. You just blend directly in the cup, swap the blade assembly for the lid, and you're good to go. No messy pouring or extra containers to wash. Speaking of washing, both the cups and lids are dishwasher safe, which is a huge plus for me. Nobody wants to be scrubbing blender parts by hand. So, how does it actually perform? Honestly, pretty well for its size. It handles frozen fruit, spinach, protein powder, and liquids like a champ. I haven't tried crushing ice in it, and I probably wouldn't recommend it. This isn't a heavy-duty, high-powered blender, but for smoothies and shakes, it gets the job done. It's not as powerful as my full-size blender, obviously, but it's definitely more convenient. There's a little pulse button on the front, which gives you more control over the blending process. It's not super loud either, which is nice if you're using it early in the morning or in a shared space. One thing I noticed is that you really need to make sure the cup is securely twisted onto the base before you start blending. If it's not on tight, it can leak, which is a bit of a mess. Also, the instructions recommend cutting up larger pieces of fruit and vegetables before blending, which makes sense given the size and power of the motor. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with the Nutribullet GO. It's definitely a handy little gadget for anyone who wants quick and easy smoothies or shakes on the go. It's not going to replace your main blender, but it's a great supplement for those times when you need something portable and convenient. The cordless design is a huge plus, and the fact that it's so easy to clean makes it even better. If you're looking for a personal blender that you can take with you anywhere, I definitely recommend checking this one out. It's a great little investment for a healthier lifestyle on the go.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.